Wagwan, my people, welcome to day 8 of trading the 10k challenge. Today's special. It's very special because I took the last trade of phase 1, and yeah, I passed phase 1, so that's great news. And yeah, but I'm gonna just go through the the trades that I took today as usual, and yeah. So the first trade that I actually took for the day was the USD JPY. I took a sell using this order block, 15 minutes order block here. I actually took shots on this around here. I had my SL just right above that order block. I don't know why this thing is doing that, but yes, you get the idea. I had my SLs there, and then my TP. I actually had my TP all the way to the sell side, liquidity down there, and as you can see, it didn't play out as well. It did go into profits, as you can see, almost halfway there, almost like say 25%. And then it went straight to hit my SL. One thing that I forgot on this trade is that I forgot to apply the power 3. There's the accumulation. We have this accumulation, manipulation. And then we have the distribution. You have the displacement to the upside. As you can see, it did play out all the way up there. I only realized that after it was about to. I realized that this is actually the power 3, and what I should have done is that close at the at the displacement, at the manipulation. As you can see, here's the fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, which is filling it for the second time now. So I didn't close, just let it run, and then it hit my SL. So that was the first trade, which was a losing trade. And then the second trade I took was Euro USD. Well, I took the Euro USD and the GBP. These two trades, Euro USD and the GBP USD, actually broke my heart. I don't want to lie. At some point, I was heartbroken because of the way they played out. So I took a sell. I did take a sell on the Euro USD, all the way from there, and then my TP, I had put my TP on this. I had TP on this order block here, and what happened is that when the market came here, I saw this. I think it's like a 30-minute order block or an hour order block. I used the CB. Reason for my entry was I think it's a 30-minute CB. I think it's a 1 hour. Yes, it's a 1 hour CB. Let me just mark that real quick. It's 1 hour CB. As you can see, it went into the control encouragement, which is the 50% of that CB. That's where I took the sell. We went all the way down, but I didn't hit TP. I took partials at this. When it came to this order block here, the 30 minutes or 15-minute order block, I took some partials, and then I had locked profit. So what it did is it went up to actually hit my SL where I locked profit, and then all of this displacement happened, which actually broke my heart. I don't want to lie. So yeah, all this displacement happened in the trade, and then yeah, same thing that happened with the GU. I had sells. I was looking at the sell side, because if you go to the H4 or just zoom out of your chart, as you can see, we have this relatively equal lows. You know, there's this low, there's this low, and there's this low. You know, it has to be broken. So I was actually looking forward to actually take out this sell side liquidity. So that was my target. And where did I sell? I sold all the way up there. I sold in this order block, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. Which I'll go through the trades on MT5 in a bit. So I sold there, and what happened was, as you can see, it played out, and then I had log profits. I took partials here, and I had log profits on one of the trades. Same thing that happened with me on Euro USD. Same thing, as you can see, it was in this order block, went up to hit me, take me out, which actually it was said, took me out, then played all the way down, as you can see, and then also, you know, now going for that sell side as I expected, and then came down to retest this order block too, and yeah, displaced all the way. No, I took the sells here. No, I'm sorry, I took the sells on this order block, right? That was my entry. I took a sell on this order block, it came down. I think I took partial somewhere there, and then I had log profits. I didn't notice this order block, so it went all the way into that order block, taking me out with the locked profits, and it actually played out. This actually broke my heart. When it just broke here, I was heartbroken. You know, I was heartbroken. So that was the, you know, third trade of the day, which I did also. You know, it was a profitable day. It was a profitable trade. So that's good. Even though it played out, it took me out, then went my way. It was heartbreaking, but at the end of the day, it was a profit trade. I made profit on that trade. And then the next trade that I took was NAS. I used that, I think it's an auto block or a CB on a lower time frame, 15 minutes. As you can see, it's still falling. I think it's wait, 15 minutes. Yeah, no, 30 minutes. Yes, it's a 30-minute CB. The reason why I took that trade, the main reason why, I actually looked at the sell. Let me go to a higher time frame. So the reason why I actually took this trade was because of, as you can see there, we have the buy side. We have this buy side liquidity which was taken out, and yeah, we have this buy side which was taken out, buy side liquidity, and it was taken out, and that is also, you know, a market I consider that as a market structure shift. And with that happening, I knew that the market price would actually go deeper, you know, fetch some PD arrays before it can actually go, you know, buying. But I wanted to catch the sell, and then with that information, I switched to a lower time frame. I went to the 30 minutes. That's when I saw the CB, you know, with this market structure shift. As you can see, there was this market structure shift also, you know, market structure shift. And then using that, my PC is a bit slow every time I record, but it's okay. As you can see, there's that market structure shift, and then we went down, and then we went back up, tapped into that CB, and then that's where I took my sells. And then, as you can see, you know, market played all the way down, and then I had my TPs here just in case, you know, it came into this order block. This is an order block. This is a bullish order block, you know. So that is a bullish order block. So I had TPs set on this order block just in case. I want to take partials and all that. So that was the second trade. And my SLs, I had them above this candlestick here. I had my SLs just right above there. It was a very tight SL. So yeah, that was the NAS trade. As you can see, it played out nicely. You know, took it there. SL was just right above here. It was a very tight SL, and then TP was all the way in that order block there. So that was a very successful trade. It was the biggest trade that I took today. And the last trade that I took was gold. I actually took a sell on gold, which I closed right when I had reached my target, my target for the challenge. So I took a sell in here. The reason why, it's I noticed this fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, as you can see. Let me go to a 5-minute time frame. There's the inverse, price came here and then respected that, it respected, as you can see, it respected that fair value gap there, and then went down, break market structure shift, and then we went back into this order block here. There's the 15-minute order block. Let me go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, tapped into that 15-minute order block, and then I took sells there. And then with this little movement, I actually made a few profit. I probably made like 30 USD on this trade, or 40, and that was what's left to actually pass the challenge. And then I just closed it. And as you can see, it did reverse, going to my SL level. This was actually the initial sell that I wanted to take from. So if I was still in the challenge, I would have taken this the sell here. This is where I would be selling, So yeah, as you can see, that's how it went. So this is the last trade that I took for today. So let's just hop into I'm just gonna show you what happened on the MT5. As you can see, these are all the trades. These are all the trades that I took today. As you can see, profit there, it's 313. Going to the first one, which is the Euro USD. As you can see, let me just zoom in. As you can see, I took sells and it came down. I took partials there. I lost profits there. Then went down, went all the way up, hit me, broke out. What is this? Triggered my blocked profits, and then as you can see, just went down. This is when my heart was broken. Yeah, but as you can see on the trades, I managed to back, and I took 4 trades. Technical, I took the 0.40 lot size, and then as you can see, I made all these profits. And then the second one I took was USD JPY. Let me go to the USD JPY. Let me go. Sorry. And then yeah, as you can see, let me go to the 1 minute. Okay. As you can see, going to the 1 minute, I took a sell there, and I took sells there, went up a bit, played out. I was in profits, and then I was tapped out, because I put my SLs just right above these highs, and forgetting that it was manipulation. No, what am I saying? No, it's the accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution going up. So that's what I missed. So yeah, that was the second trade of the day. Going to the GBP USD, same thing that happened. As you can see, I took a sell there. Let me go to a lower time frame. As you can see, let me do this. As you can see, I took a sell there, and then it dropped down. I had locked profits, I had locked profits there. As it was down here, I locked profits somewhere there, and then it went up exactly where I put my SL triggered. And then it's almost like it could smell my SL, almost. And then market just dropped. That also broke my heart very much. But it was a profitable trade, as you can see there. I got out with 14 USD, 13 USD, and 19 USD. And then NAS trade, as you can see there. Let me go to NAS. I took those sells up there, and then went all the way in profits. As you can see, I closed with $104, $113. So that was the biggest trade for the day. And going to gold, as you can see, I took sells there using this order block. So market went there a bit, up a bit, and then we went down, and then I just closed this 30 USD because it was enough for me to actually pass the challenge. That was all that was left. So yeah, those are the trades that I took. Let me just do all the trades that I actually took. Let me just say the last 3 months. As you can see, there's a 10k initial balance, and then yeah, I'm not gonna say all of them. This took quite a lot of trades, quite a lot. So as you can see there, USDJPY, NAS. Yeah, if you want to pause, you can just pause and look at all the trades that I took, the lot sizes that I used. As you can see with NAS, I started using 0.5, then I just switched to one lot, and then pairs mostly, I think here I was just testing out, and then I started just using 0.10 on all pairs, and then I'll just execute multiple trades, and then on NAS I'll just execute straight up one lot. So yeah, you can just pause the video as I scroll, and you'll get to see you'll get to see all the trades that I've taken. As you can see, I started from the 15th, and today is the 24th. So yeah, which is day technical. I took 8 trading days to pass this challenge. As you can see, the overall profits is, well, technical I made 825, but because of commission, spreads and swaps, it only came down to this much. So yeah, as you can see, this is the dashboard, and the target was $10,800, and as you can see, net profit which I reached initial, it's 10k, and then today's profit I made 2.9% for the day. And then as you can see there, traded 8 days, and then yeah, profit target reached, and then as you can see, account notification, profit target reached. So yeah, that's technically how it went. And then all I have to do is click the upgrade, and then yes, upgrade, and I'll be given I'll be going to phase 2. So I'm kind of excited about that, and I can't wait. I'll also I'll still be sharing my phase 2 trading journey. I'm still gonna use the same thing, the same plan, the same, I'm gonna use the same trading style, the same everything. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna trade the same thing. As you can see, for phase 2, my target now is no longer 800, it's 500, which is like 5%, which is nice. It went down from 8% to 5%. So yeah, that's gonna be targeting 500. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys on phase 2 day one. Peace.